Welcome to the channel. I'm Tequila B with TruLuv Designs, and today I am going to share with you some jumpsuit patterns that I am considering sewing. A little while back, I was asked to be part of a sewing challenge that is being hosted by V of 85th and Wade. You can find her here on YouTube and on Instagram. And the hashtag for this sewing challenge is SewRompJumpPlay22. The idea of this challenge is to sew a jumpsuit, romper, playsuit, or jumper, whichever you choose. If you're interested in participating in the challenge, the rules are as follows. Sew a romper, jumpsuit, playsuit, boiler suit, or overalls between September 25th and October 26th. The garment must be for an adult 21 and older. Tag 85th and Wade on Instagram and here on YouTube. Use the hashtag SewRompJumpPlay22. Post on IG on reveal day on October 26th by 11:59 p.m. Central Daylight Time. And if you want to give us a sneak peek of what you're working on, you can use the hashtag SewRompJumpPlayPeek. I have a few patterns that I'm considering and I would like your input. The first pattern I am considering for my sewing challenge is McCall's 8314. I believe this is, yes, McCall's 8314. The number on this envelope is the rack number, but the true number is M8314. I am going to do a mock-up of whichever pattern I choose, and if they have a romper, that's probably what I will sew for my mock-up, just so that I will use less fabric. But on this particular pattern, I do like view C. I love bat wing things and I don't really know why, but I do. If I choose this pattern, I will most likely make view C. The next one is a jumpsuit that I printed out early on in my pattern collecting journey. This is a deer and doe pattern. It's the Sirocco pattern, and I know a lot of people have made it, and it immediately grabbed my attention when I saw it, and I've had it printed for over a year now, I know, but I haven't made it. And I think the thing that has me hesitant about it is the pleats. I haven't done pleating, so that would be a new skill for me. I've watched some videos and seen some creators do pleating, and it doesn't really look complicated. I just haven't done it, so I'm not so confident about it. But I do eventually want to get around to making the Sirocco jumpsuit. The next pattern is McCall's M8009. The view I like on this pattern most is view A. I like the sleeves, and I love this deep V cut here. It looks a little short on the envelope, but you know, I'm short, so I don't know how short it will be. But again, like I said, I'm going to do a mock-up of whatever pattern I choose. So keep in mind that my mock-ups will be the rompers, but that doesn't necessarily mean that I will sew the romper. But I do like view A most. I also like view C. It's sleeveless, so if I choose to make that, I don't really know how much wear I'll get out of it because it is about to get cool, and I don't really like wearing shirts underneath things unless it's a bodysuit. So I'll think about that one. The next pattern is McCall's 8069. My favorite view here is view B. I like how that hemline is kind of slanted. It's not real straight. It looks like this may be a slit on the side. I'm not sure, but I'm interested in making view B if I choose this pattern. Next pattern is McCall's M8101. My favorite view here is view B. I like that it is strapless and it's a halter. It kind of reminds me of a vintage like bodice. The only drawback from that is I feel like I need straps on most of my garments all the time. I don't feel like strapless bras give me the support that I need. Don't get me wrong, I have a good one, but I just don't feel as supported as when I have straps. So I'll think about that one. But I do like view C, and I think it's because of the belt. that would be something new that I would learn to make, is a belt. And of course, buttons. And you know, I've talked about buttons and buttonholes before. I am afraid to do them. Why? It's something with the sewing machine and that quick pace buttonhole making and sewing of those buttons that just really makes me nervous of a needle breaking. So I'm going to do some practice with buttons and buttonholes and try to get over that fear. But if you like jumpsuits as much as I do, hit that like button and share this video with someone who may be looking for a jumpsuit pattern. You never know. Also, let me know down in the comments which pattern you think I will choose and which view I will sew of that pattern, and any pattern and view that you would like to see me make. If you haven't already, consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so that you'll know when I post my next video. Until next time, see it, make it, slay it.